Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So in today's class we are going to continue our chapter, that is fraction. So let's start. So kids, in our today's maths lab activity, we will do a activity of fraction, and we will make a fraction word with the help of paper. I hope you will enjoy this video. So firstly, what you have to do, what the things which you need. Okay, there are some things which you need for this fraction word: color paper, scale, scissors, and pencil. Okay, these four things are needed for this activity. Okay, so firstly, what you have to do, firstly you will take one circle. You can see this circle. Now you have to divide this circle in two equal parts. But keep that thing in your mind, kids. These two parts should be equal. So firstly, you have to divide this circle with the help of scale in two equal parts. Firstly, we will mark it with the help of scale and your sketch pen, or you can say with the help of your pencil. Okay, firstly you have to cut a circle and divide this circle in two equal parts. So kids, can you see here, we have divided this circle in two equal parts. That's why our each part is of 1 upon 2 part. Okay, this part is 1 upon 2 upper one, and the lower one part is also 1 upon 2, because we have divided one circle into two equal parts. If now let's move to the second step. The second step is just a little bit different from the first one, in which what you have to do, firstly you will take one circle, and now you have to divide this circle in 8 equal parts. And you can see here how I am dividing it into 8 equal parts. Okay, the with the help of scale and your sketch pen, or you can say with the help of your pencil. Okay, you have to divide this circle into 8 equal parts. Keep that thing in your mind, kids, that your lines should be straight. You will use scale to draw these lines by marking this last line. You can see we have divided this circle into 8 equal parts. Now you all know that we have divided one circle into 8 equal parts. So uh, one part, each part of this circle will be of 1 upon 8. Okay, because we have divided this into 8 equal parts. Okay kids, now we will move to the next step of our activity, in which we will do the same thing which we have done earlier. Okay, so here you can see I have taken one circle and I am dividing this circle into 16 equal parts. For dividing this circle into 16 equal parts, so we are using scale, and it will be more comfortable if you will use your pencil here at the place of sketch pen. Okay, use pencil in this whole activity at the place of your scale. So how I am dividing this circle into 16 equal parts? Yes, firstly I have divided it in two parts, then I have divided in four parts, then I have divided in six parts, and now you can see here I am dividing it into 8 equal parts. Okay, now we have to divide in 16 equal parts. Now you have to be little bit careful, because here you have to make the lines carefully. Okay, now you will again divide these parts into smaller parts. That's why you have to uh, make it very carefully with the help of scale and your pencil. So just you can see here in the video that how I am dividing this circle into 16 equal parts. Okay, now the second thing what you have to do, now you can see here that I have divided one circle. You can see here with the, you can see this last line, and now you that I have divided one circle in 16 equal parts. You can count these parts, and you can see that there are 16 parts, and one part, each part is of 1 upon 16, because I have divided one circle into 16 equal parts. Now we will cut these parts with the help of scissors. So here I have cut all these parts, and I am writing the numbers on this papers. Okay, like this is the 1 upon 2, this is 1 upon 16 parts, this is 1 upon 8 parts. Okay, now what you have to do, kids, now we will paste. Okay, and in which manner you have to paste, let's see. Firstly we will take the 1 upon 2 part of the circle. Okay, and you will paste it like I am pasting it, you can see here. Now you will take a 1 upon 8 part of a circle and you will paste it like this. Now you will take 1 upon 16 part of a circle, and you can see here how I am pasting it. Now again 1 upon 16 part of a circle, you will paste it like this. Again I am pasting 1 upon 16 part. Here again I am pasting 1 upon 16 part. Now you can see why I'm pasting now 1 upon 8 parts of a circle in this manner, and you have to paste just like the same this I am doing. Okay, now you can see here how it goes. Okay, so you will paste some parts like this. On the feathers only you will paste 1 upon 8 part of the circle, and then you will write that first you will make one I for the word, and then you will write that which part of fraction you have used here. Like I have written 1 upon 8 parts at the feathers and 1 upon 16 parts at the upper side. Okay, so this is the beautiful word you can see here, which we have made with the help of fractions. Okay, so kids, in this video you have learned that how, what is 1 upon 2 part, what is 1 upon 8 part, what is 1 upon 16 part, and how you can use the fraction to make this beautiful fraction word. Okay kids, now kids, what you have to do, you have to make one fraction word like we have done in the video. Okay, then you will click a picture of this beautiful bird and you will send it to me. I also want to see what is your creativity. Okay, thank you.